The past few years have witnessed drone racing flourish into a popular sport practiced all over the globe. Players who hone their skills to a professional level even get to participate in internationally held competitions such as the Drone Racing League, with a chance to face off against the best in the business. As a result of the growing love for drone races, manufacturers are turning their focus towards features that make their drones more raceworthy. Thanks to this, the choice of FPV racing quads in the market has significantly increased. The only challenge is that choosing the best option from a growing list of fast drones can be a tall order. If you're looking to get into drone racing, we are here to save you the trouble that is due diligence. In this post, we consider the fastest racing drones for 2022. Number 1. Walkera F210 Professional Deluxe. The F210 is one of the fastest drones in the market. It was specifically designed for racers, and this is evident not only from the build of the quadcopter but also from the features it brings to the table. At a speed of 52 miles per hour, this is the fastest racing drone we've ever gotten our hands on. But speed isn't the only area where the F210 shines. There is much more to get you excited about this swift FPV drone for racing. The F210 is built for speed. The manufacturer designed this racer drone with a streamlined bow design to minimize air resistance while in flight. Its body features a combination of carbon fiber and aluminum alloy to deliver a lightweight yet rugged quadcopter that will easily survive bumps and crashes. The tough shell of the drone serves to protect your investment when it's flying at a top speed of 50 miles per hour. This will be a dream come true for any experienced drone racer, and you can credit the speed to the powerful 2500 kV brushless motors propelling the quadcopter. Equipped with a high-capacity LiPo battery pack, the F210 will stay in the air for just under 10 minutes. This is enough time to finish a drone race. The drone impresses in the air, and this is because of its ability to pull off several mid-air tricks. It can perform 3D flips and rolls, while its agility when making sharp turns will leave your competition in the dust. This drone camera is also compatible with Google for FPV glasses, which allow you to take your experience to the next level. It almost feels like you're riding in the quadcopter, and at top speed, you can easily get lightheaded if you're not used to drone racing. For the controller, the drone employs the Walkera Devo 7 transmitter. This has an ergonomic design, although it is a little bit heavy compared to other transmitters. The controls are generally easy to grasp, while the F3 Flightboard offers you a platform to exchange ideas with fellow experts from around the world. Another cool thing about this FPV drone is that it has 3 different flight modes to cover the beginner, immediate, and expert drone racer. This means it will accommodate pilots of all skill levels and give you the freedom to customize the flight according to your racing skills. Overall, this drone fires on all cylinders as far as racing is concerned. It is fast, durable, and stable in the air. The flying experience is tailored to include amateur, intermediate, as well as professional camera drone racers. In a nutshell, the F210 was engineered to ensure that you win that drone race. Number 2. ARRIS X-Speed 250B FPV Racing Drone. If you were taken aback by the price of the Walkera F210 above, you can always opt for a more affordable option. The ARRIS X-Speed 250B is a great option for a reliable racing experience. It will cost you almost half the price of the F210, however, the features on its frame are pretty decent. The ARRIS X-Speed 250 is constructed using carbon fiber material to deliver a very rugged outer shell. This makes the drone crash resistant, and despite this, it maintains a lightweight design thanks to the carbon construction. Weighing at only 390 g, the racing drone is able to achieve high speeds and remain agile in the air. Its propellers are also made from a combination of nylon and carbon fiber materials, and therefore tougher than those made of just plastic. The manufacturer also used standard wiring and plugs to make it easy for those who want to improve their quads with upgrades. Additionally, you get LED lights that come in handy when you're ready to fly the drone in lowly illuminated environments. The only complaint about the design of the X-Speed 250 is that it comes with short screws, which makes the assembly process tricky. This drone provides you with a flight time of around 10 minutes, which is just as good as what the more expensive Walkera F210 offers. It is powered by a 3S 1500 mAh LiPo battery, which performs well as far as energy efficiency is concerned. However, you will have to buy the charger separately. Since the quadcopter was designed for FPV racing, it can't carry much. Its maximum payload is 159 g, and you should note that the flight time reduces when the drone is bearing extra weight. The manufacturer fitted the quad with small 1806 brushless motors that offer durable performance, and the 45 miles per hour it can achieve can't be downplayed. However, you can always upgrade to stronger motors to go even faster. The 700 TVL camera fitted on the drone is pretty decent. It can take high-quality videos and be paired with glasses for more immersive FPV racing experiences. The transmission is generally smooth with no delays, and the camera lens can be adjusted through 20 degrees. Overall, the FPV drone is pretty fast yet manages to remain stable in the air. It maneuvers with the agility of a cat, and the response time of the controller is almost instantaneous. It is a great option for any aspiring drone racer with a limited budget. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2. Unlike the F210 and Xspeed 250 we've reviewed above, the Mavic Air 2 from DJI is not a dedicated racing drone, but it is fast enough to race with. Coming from the industry-leading brand in DJI, this drone boasts a range of rich features that will easily impress expert drone users, along with a very competitive top speed of 44.7 miles per hour. The Mavic comes in a very compact and portable body. Its propellers can conveniently be collapsed, which make it easy to carry and transport it in a bag. Despite its small size, the quad feels pretty solid, and this is evident from its 570 g weight. This air will remain in the air for just around 34 minutes, which is 3 times more than what our 2 previous fastest drones offer. It also points to the fact that it was not primarily designed for racing. You can thank the high-capacity 3,950 mAh battery for the endless playtime the Mavic Air offers. The control range is also massive at 18 kilometers. I doubt you'll want to fly your drone that far. This is because of the new controller the drone uses, which brings DJI's OcuSync 2.0 connectivity to maximize the range, as well as the signal to the DJI Fly app. However, the controller doesn't have a screen. The control range and flight time of the Mavic Air are astronomical, but they are not the most impressive features on the drone. You won't believe the quality of the camera this quad brings to the table. The camera can shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second and 48 MP stills, delivering professional-level quality that will impress photographers and videographers. A half-an-inch CMOS sensor on the camera helps to enhance the quality, while a 3-axis gimbal ensures that the footage is crystal clear. You can fly the drone via FPV, an experience that has greatly been improved by the OcuSync 2.0 technology. The live video transmission range is extended to an impressive 10 kilometers. Multiple camera modes and effects make flying this drone an unforgettable experience. For instance, Smart Capture lets you shoot more dramatic videos, while Follow Me mode comes in handy when you record videos of yourself as you move around. Overall, the Mavic Air is a high-performance mini drone that won't let you down. It is the ideal device for aerial filmography, but you can still race with it if you wish so. Its 42 miles per hour high speed is very much respectable and not too far off the 50 miles per hour that the Walkera F210 can achieve. On the downside, it is a costly unit that may be beyond your budget.